Welcome back to another video, everyone. We are currently going to do a video on the Penal Colony, also known as the prison. Just an overview so you have an idea where all the airlocks is and what all the areas are called. To begin, we're starting out at Gym 4D airlock. We now access the actual gym area. We're gonna head forward right here. And you have gym. From here, we're gonna stick to the left of gym. And we're gonna start doing a 360 around the whole map. So, now that we're past gym area, we're gonna keep going. We should go into arrivals. Now, in arrivals, we head through these red decontamination showers, head back, and we're now at the library 1A airlock. If we keep going to the left of this location, we're going to be in library. So this is the library. We're just gonna keep sticking, going farther and farther left. Remember, between the two entrances to the library, you have staff only. You now cross the dorms, where you just have many bunk beds. Correction, single beds. Keep going left again. Now going to head towards workshop. We go through this first entrance of workshop from the library. You can go through a couple of entrances of workshop. It's one of the biggest areas for airlocks. And here's the airlock for it. It's called Work 2B. And this is where you would spawn into the workshop. We're just going to keep moving. We're going to go through one of the third and fourth entrances of workshop. Remember, workshop has several entrances which all lead to the same areas. I'm going to head back to the right so you can see those entrances. We got 1, 2, 3, and if we were to count them the way that we first started out, here's one entrance for the workshop. Here's another one. Third one. And lastly, a fourth entrance for it. If we just keep going around the circle like we have been, we're gonna run into the next one, which is canteen, cafeteria area. We'll head through here, this little mess hall. We got the kitchen. Go through here and we got another airlock. You got canteen 3C. Here's the kitchen. If you were to head straight through the canteen airlock, you'll go to one of these control room areas, as well as another staff-only area right there in between the first entrance I went through and now this entrance. Now we're going to keep going to the left. We got Visitation. We are now going through gym lockers. Now, we are now back at the gym. That is a run through of all the airlock locations and a 360 look of the outside area of the map. We are now going to head into the cell block area, starting out on level 1, which is where we are currently. So now we are on level 1. We're starting out in front of this gym entrance. It's not labeled. We're just going to keep moving. Canteen's that way. Gym's to the right, as you can see from this view. This one is labeled Canteen, so Canteen's going to be straight ahead for both, as well as that little staff-only area that has a med bag in it. For this one, you have a workshop entrance, and to the right, you have Canteen. And this is a workshop-only entrance, or if you go left, you'll hit Arrivals. We're now going to head to the middle center of the map, which is this big tower. Also know Arrivals is considered second floor, so you actually would not come on this first one. You would start on the second floor already right there, if you were to come into the cells from that way. This is the main tower that allows you to access all floors from the center. We're going to start out on floor number 2. If we head straight, you have the escape pod. Floor level 2, the farthest left side of it. We head straight, you're going to see Arrivals, which was where those decontamination showers were, that little control point, as well as the Arrivals airlock. Keep going, you're going to get to the library. We're going to keep moving to the final one, which is going to go from the library to the workshop. Now we're going to head back to the middle. And we are going to go to the 3rd floor. Be aware, the 3rd floor is only accessible through this middle center tower. There is no way to actually get there other than going up here. So yes, it is a choke point and a hard area sometimes to get up to or get away from when players are now holding you. So we're first going to start out by going straight. All you have is a lot of cell lockers opened up that you can loot.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
We now can go through these metal gates. There's 2 of them. One's over there, one's here. Go through the first one. You're going to stick to the left. And you now have this little lounging area, as well as head security office, where loot spawns typically on the table, so make sure you just check that. From here, you got the little kitchen. Keep going, you got the little staff bunk area. You now have a little workout lounge area. Keep going straight here. You're going to have the vault and a little gym locker. And now you're going to be at one of the security checkpoints. Checkpoint. Staff lockers. And you got this area. Now if you run through this decontamination shower, you're going to be back at that other gate, which will just lead you here. And if you keep sticking to the right on the 3rd floor, you'll have some more gym lockers you can open up, or you can cross the secondary bridge to go to the center. Now we're going to head back to the center building where we are currently. We're going to head down to the 2nd floor and go to the escape pod where you will exit. And that is an overview of the entire map of Penal Colony. Hopefully this video helps you have an understanding of where each thing is located and you have a better idea how to move through the area. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.